What do you need help doing?
I need help, Mama.
With what? What do you need help with?
My chair.
What's wrong with your chair?
Mama,
What's wrong with your chair?
it's wrong.
It's wrong?
Yeah.
Why is it wrong?
Because you can help me. Help.
Did you already move Thomas over there? Alright, let's move it. Let's move it.
You move it over there by Thomas.
You need.
Move it by Thomas.
Where does it go?
Right here.
Right here?
Right
And
here.
did Daddy put it in the wrong spot?
Yeah.
Why did he do that?
Because he moved it.
Okay, did we fix it?
Don't move my stuff, Daddy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Something.